Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're struggling with math problems or simply want to improve your skills, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring some of the best math solver apps available for Android that can help you tackle your homework and understand complex concepts better. Let's dive into these fantastic tools that make math easier and more accessible. Solvely Math Solver v Homework. Solvely is an intuitive math solver app designed to assist students with a range of mathematical problems, from basic arithmetic to complex equations. This app allows users to take pictures of their math problems or input them manually, and it provides step-by-step solutions to help users learn and understand the concepts better. In addition to solving equations, Solvely offers explanations for each step, making it an excellent educational tool. With its user-friendly interface and a vast database of solved problems, Solvely is perfect for students seeking homework help or a deeper understanding of math concepts. Homework Helper AI Math Solver. Homework Helper AI Math Solver is a powerful app that leverages artificial intelligence to solve a wide variety of math problems, including algebra, geometry, calculus, and more. Users can enter problems by typing them in or by taking a photo, and the app will quickly provide accurate solutions along with step-by-step explanations. The app also includes features like practice quizzes and additional resources to enhance learning. Homework Helper serves not only as a solver, but also as a comprehensive study aid, perfect for students of all ages looking to improve their math skills and homework performance. Maple Calculator Math Solver. Maple Calculator is a sophisticated math solver app that combines powerful calculation capabilities with a user-friendly interface. With its ability to handle everything from simple calculations to advanced mathematics, such as calculus and linear algebra, Maple Calculator is ideal for both students and professionals. The app provides detailed solutions and explanations for each problem, helping users grasp complex mathematical concepts more easily. Additionally, Maple Calculator offers features like graphing and customizable calculations, making it a versatile tool for anyone who regularly works with math. Whether you're studying or working on mathematical projects, this app is an excellent resource. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of top math solver apps helps you find the perfect companion for your math studies. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more app recommendations and educational tips. Which app are you excited to try out? Let us know in the comments.